And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the man who brutally raped and killed a 14-year-old schoolgirl at her home remains at large this evening.
Now, as the manhunt continues to find the suspect, the child's family and school community mourns her death.
Amoy Harriet reports.
Take control of the atmosphere.
A somber mood engulfed the Haile Selassie High School in Kingston on Friday. One of their students, 9th grader Price Johnson, was sexually assaulted and brutally murdered at her home Thursday afternoon at the Palm Grove Court apartment off Spanish Town Road. Her desk decorated with heart-wrenching messages from her friends, her teachers, besides themselves with grief.
Again, our school family is so small. We have just under 300 children. So everybody knows everybody by name and face and laugh and shoes and bag and so on. So it really didn't matter what class she was in. The entire school feels it because in communities such as these, persons, again, are usually related and they usually have a lot of relationships going back generations. And I think that's why it hurts so much.
Price's attacker is believed to be a man of unsound mind who isn't from the community. It's understood that he entered the apartment complex and walked from door to door before reaching the unit in which Price was located. She was home alone and asleep. After sexually assaulting the 14-year-old, the man then took a hammer to her head, hitting her several times. She cried out for help, to no avail. A male family member who later attempted to rush to her rescue was also hammered in the head by the suspect, and by that time, Price was on her final breaths.
She was home. She wasn't on the road. She wasn't half naked. She didn't provoke anybody. She was home.
This room has been Price's form class for the last 6 months. These corridors she walked every day. She was last here on Wednesday. It's understood that she didn't attend school on Thursday because of an event associated with the celebration of Bob Marley's birthday. Now her schoolmates and teachers struggling to come to terms with the fact that she'll never be able to walk these corridors ever again.
She's a girl with loyal and everything in one. You see it. I'm sorry for you say what that happened to her.
She left the whole place tense.
She was just a teenage girl who just liked to have fun and enjoyed being with her friends. And she deserved to continue that so she could actually realize her dream because she was incredibly talented.
To make a bad situation worse, a video of Price's naked, almost lifeless body began circulating on social media. It's unclear who recorded the video.
And from a see the video, it's like everything in her body shut down. Start crying, I say, genuine.
Meanwhile, in Price's community, outrage. Outrage at, one, the residents who were home at the time of the incident but didn't intervene.
We can't have it in our house and safe no more because people are coming in our house and kill you. Normally, we say we would have go and come back in safe and give God thanks, but people are coming in our house come kill you now.
And two, outrage at the police.
When the police have been nice scheme, no police are nice scheme. But then they look for gunman, then they look for be a gunman, but when we need them, we don't see them. When we need them, we don't see them. Oh God, Mom.
Price's mother, Eugene Wade, didn't sleep last night. The family was preparing to celebrate her 15th birthday later this month.
She's a polite little girl, I'm love her from my heart, I tell you. You see me lose my daughter like that. Oh my God, me there start talk and everything. I know God, it's for you know God, man. That's the best thing in our life, so. Feel a way about her and miss her, but me have to stand up strong for the next one day.
The suspect is said to still be at large. TVJ News understands that a neighbor captured the man on a CCTV camera and the police are now reviewing the footage.
I want to see the same kind of outcry as if she was somebody from up there. I want to hear the same kind of outcry as if somebody had gone into a house in Cherry Gardens and Norwood and those other places. I want to hear that kind of outcry. That's the kind of outcry that Price Johnson deserves. She has a name. She had a future. She had a family.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.